Imagine a vehicle that combines the rugged personality of an SUV, the practicality of a family van, and the adventurous spirit of a true off-road machine. That's exactly why the upcoming new 2027 Mitsubishi Delica Max is generating so much curiosity. Mitsubishi's legendary Delica name has always been associated with adventure and versatility, and this new generation could take that formula to an entirely new level. The 2027 Delica Max is expected to feature a bold, boxy design that immediately stands out from conventional minivans. Up front, a modern grille is expected to sit between sleek LED headlights, giving the vehicle a tougher and more futuristic appearance. The upright body should provide excellent interior space, while muscular wheel arches and increased ground clearance could give it a much more adventurous stance. Large wheels, protective lower body elements, and practical roof rails would further emphasize its go-anywhere character. Step inside, and the Delica Max is expected to focus heavily on comfort and functionality. The cabin could offer 3 rows of seating, making it an attractive option for large families and road trip enthusiasts. A modern digital instrument cluster and a large central infotainment display could provide easy access to navigation, entertainment, and vehicle information. High-quality materials, flexible seating configurations, multiple storage areas, and USB charging points could make long journeys considerably more comfortable. Technology is also expected to play a major role. Mitsubishi could equip the Delica Max with advanced driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and a surround view camera system. These features would make the vehicle easier and safer to drive in crowded cities as well as on remote adventures. Under the hood, the biggest question is what Mitsubishi will choose for this highly anticipated model. Depending on the market and final configuration, the Delica Max could feature an efficient gasoline powertrain, a hybrid system, or an electrified setup. Strong low-speed torque and an advanced all-wheel drive system would be especially important for a vehicle carrying the Delica name. Mitsubishi could also tune the suspension for a balance between everyday comfort and rough road capability. And that's where the Delica Max could become truly interesting. Unlike traditional minivans designed mainly for highways and city streets, this vehicle is expected to appeal to drivers who want to explore beyond the pavement. Whether it's a family camping trip, a mountain road, or a weekend getaway, the Delica Max could offer the flexibility to handle a wide range of situations. As for pricing, Mitsubishi has not officially confirmed final US pricing or specifications for a 2027 Delica Max. However, if Mitsubishi positions it against premium adventure-oriented vans and SUVs, buyers could be looking at a competitive but higher than mainstream price depending on configuration. The new 2027 Mitsubishi Delica Max could be one of the most interesting adventure vehicles to watch. If Mitsubishi delivers the right combination of space, technology, efficiency, and genuine off-road capability, this could be much more than another family van. Would you choose the Delica Max over a traditional SUV? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting automotive updates.